What do 13th century Chinese traders have in common with Multicap Fund? Sea trade was a promising sector for investment in 13th century China. Chinese investors were trading in silk, cotton, silver, spices and other commodities. Investing in sea trade entailed risks such as bad weather and pirates. Putting all your capital on one ship could result in a complete loss if the ships sank or were looted. Additionally, a single large ship would only be able to supply a single market. In order to minimize risk and address markets in different geographies, the investors divided their capital among multiple ships. Each ship had multiple investors behind it. This is one of the earliest examples of diversification in investments. Similarly, market capitalization-based investments can benefit from diversification among large, mid and small caps. The investment may benefit from the three market caps, potentially resulting in lower risk and consistent performance. Diversification between three market caps also allows the portfolio to be drawn to multiple industries. Each market cap can also add unique industries to the portfolio. Invest in Tata Multicap Fund to draw benefits from a diversified set of sectors within the three market caps. Presenting Tata Multicap Fund, an open-ended equity scheme investing across large cap, mid cap, small cap stocks. Better together. New fund offer opens on 16th January 2023 and closes on 30th January 2023. Investors understand that their principal will be at very high risk. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.